Alright, hey, what's up y'all? So the first thing that we want to do is access our community, SuperHumans United, from a PC or a computer. Alright, so we need an internet connection. In a browser, we're going to type in our domain, which is community.superhumantransformation.com, and that should bring us to our landing page. And then from here, we're going to click on sign in, and we should be able to use our email and password that we received when we first signed up. Now next, to get this community SuperHumans United on the phone, we're going to text ourselves the application. So if we go to your settings, text me the application, we're going to type in our phone number, and then the application will come as a text message, which then you should be able to click on the link and install the application on your phone. Now, from your phone, we're going to go into messages, and then we should have received a text. We'll click on the link, and it should take us right to our community. Now again, we're going to see this landing page here, and it's going to ask you, are you already a member? And here we're going to use the same email and the same password that we used on the PC. It's going to ask you if you can get notifications, and I would suggest yes, okay, because you can change your notification settings a little bit later. Now this application is going to show up on your phone as Mighty Networks, okay, this is the big M here, versus on the computer it's community.superhumantransformation.com, that's the URL. So on the Mighty Networks app, if by chance I've gotten signed out and I want to find our Mighty Network, we're going to click on Find Mighty Network, and as opposed to what most of us would think, which is search for SHT, SHT is not going to find our network. Our network is SuperHumans United. Right? And then once we find that, you'll see the SHT there, click on it, and then sign in using your email and password.